Hi, this is Cathy Agan with the LSU Ag Center. You can make small changes in your food choices that can make a big impact on your health. The right mix of foods can help you be healthier now and in the future. The key is choosing a variety of healthful foods and beverages from each food group on My Plate from the USDA. One of the food groups that is particularly important to make good choices from is protein. People who need 2,000 calories each day should include 5 1/2 ounces of protein in their daily diets. A visual that can help you connect ounces to the size of a serving of meat is a deck of cards. A 3-ounce serving of meat or poultry is about the size of a deck of cards. As you can see how this 3-ounce serving of meat matches with the size of the deck of cards. It is important to vary your protein routine to make healthy choices. Select lean cuts of beef or pork or lean ground beef that is 92% lean or higher. Skinless turkey or chicken breasts are also good choices. Choose legumes like black or kidney beans or black-eyed peas as a main dish or part of a meal. They are great protein sources. Aim to eat seafood twice a week for the omega-3 fatty acids that are so good for your body. With protein foods, we also want to think about cooking techniques to reduce calories and fats. Remove poultry skin before cooking. Baking, grilling, and broiling are all good options for cooking healthfully. Limit your purchase of processed meats such as bacon, sausage, and hot dogs, which tend to be higher in saturated fats and sodium. Protein foods can take a large chunk of your grocery budget. When shopping on a budget, look for low-cost protein foods such as beans and eggs. Replace meat with beans for a less costly way to get lean protein. Make breakfast for dinner. Prepare a vegetable omelet with eggs for a low-cost meal. Don't forget to vary your choices and go lean with protein when you make your choices from that food group. Stock your freezer with lean protein foods like frozen chicken breasts, lean meats, fish, or shellfish. Try other sources of protein like nuts, seeds, eggs, dried beans, and peas. For more information on healthy eating, visit our website at lsuagcenter.com. Thank you.